Good morning, Mrs. Dawes' kindergartners. Or is it good afternoon? Or is it good night? Well, whenever you are watching this March calendar time, I hope that you are happy. I hope that you are enjoying these little calendars that I'm making for you. So, let's see if I can remember everybody's name and where everybody sits. I mean, of course I remember you, but let's see. Let me start with Connor's table. Good morning, Connor. And good morning, Ariana. Good morning, Alyssa. And good morning, Tatum. Now I'm going to go to the next table. I'm going to go to Brylin's table. All right, ready, Brylin? Good morning, Brylin. Good morning, Coley. Good morning, Vivi. Good morning, Aiden. Oh, I did it. Okay, I'm going to jump over to Tristan's table. Good morning, Tristan. Good morning, Brandon. Good morning, Amara. Good morning, Aviana, Avy Gravy. Okay, let's go to the next table. Good morning, Tobias. Good morning, Drake. Good morning, Zoe. And good morning, Axel. Oh, it is so fun to say your names, and it's more fun for me to see your faces. All right, let's sing our song. There is a month with 31 days, and March is its name. Oh, M-A-R-C-H, 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 and March is its name. Oh, leprechauns and shamrocks too. Spring is almost here. Oh, M-A-R-C-H, 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 and March is its name. Oh, look at that. Today's date just jumped right into it was just already there. Wonder how that happened. Maybe the leprechaun moved it. Well, let's do today's date. Today is Friday, March 27th. Code date time. Here we go. 3-20. What number is it? The 21st today? What number comes after 26? Would you tell me will you talk to the screen? Would you tell the screen what number comes after 26? Okay, 27. Whoops. Dash 20. You kids are good. You're staying sharp on your number skills. Okay, so our code date is 3/27/20. It means March 27th, 2020. Okay, here we go. I told you yesterday it's my favorite. Everybody stand up, get ready to count, and then get ready to sit. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you sitting? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe I need to give you time to sit up or to stand up. Here we go. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. And this tally will be for today. 26, 27. Oh my goodness, 27. Let's count the tallies. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, and 27. Nice job. Hey, has anybody been doing some tallying while we've been apart? Besides Tobias, has anyone seen those hearts? There are hearts in windows. That's a good thing you could do with your mom, your dad, your grandma, or if you go on a walk with your dog. Make sure you're with a parent. You could do tallies. You could keep track of how many times or how many houses you see that have hearts on them. Okay, let's go to our weather. Should be ready to go. Oh, look at that. And now it's 7 o'clock right now. So, right now it's 24 degrees Fahrenheit. And it says that it's clear out. Ooh, we might have a really nice day today. Look at that. The high is 41. All right, here's what I'm going to do. Because I don't have a clear button, I'm going to stick that in here. I'm going to get rid of this one. We're going to go up here. Hey, it looks like got some screen partying happening here. Okay, well, since it is 24 degrees out, let's count by fives, and then we'll count by ones. And we'll get to 24, and we'll figure out what color our temperature tracker will be today. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. Now let's count by ones. 21, 22, 23, and 24. And if I pull it to the side here, it's blue. So I'm going to color this box blue. This whole week has just been blue. It's been blue, blue, blue. Now, we were hoping that we could start a new pattern this week, but it doesn't look like we're gonna. And guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go and I'm gonna grab that little, what do we call this? It said that today was just gonna be, it's just clear right now. That means there aren't any clouds in the sky and the sun isn't really shining right now. So if I just put this just is gonna mean for us clear. Okay, I'm gonna save it. Because if I don't save it, like I did last time, I lose that symbol. And then it doesn't look like we've done any tracking. So today we're gonna say it's clear, especially at 7 a.m. this morning. All right, if today is Friday, gotta get down on Friday. What was yesterday? Does anybody remember what yesterday was? What day was it yesterday? You're right, it was Thursday. And look at this. What do we call this? This is a diagram. A diagraph, sorry. And it's the TH, so it says, and sometimes we call that the naughty brother, right? Because he's sticking his tongue out. Now, getting back to business now, if today is Friday, what is tomorrow? What's tomorrow? You're right, it's Saturday. Cartoon day when I was a little kid. We'd get up early and we'd turn on the TV and we'd watch cartoons until about 10. And then it would go to golf. We'd watch people play golf. Or we'd go up to our rooms and we'd play. All right, I'm going to put a number. I'm going to choose the number. Let's do an easy one today. Let's do the number 6. What number comes before 6? Well, what number is Connor today? Right now, Connor is 5. So 5 comes before 6. And then the number 6, what comes after 6? So if you are 6 years old, what will you be the next year when you have your birthday? Yep, you'll be 7. Good. So the number that comes before 6 is 5, and the number that comes after 6 is 7. What do I have here? Guess whose birthday it is on Sunday? It's Connor's birthday, and Connor is going to be 6 years old. And he likes to sing this, remember? Party in the elevator. I don't know that song, but Connor knows it. So, hey, I hope you have a party in the elevator. Hey, let's sing happy birthday to Connor. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Connor. Happy birthday to you. We love you so much. We love you so much. And I know you had a birthday party planned and you had invited all of your classmates. So what I'm going to ask them to do is I'd love them to record themselves on Seesaw and send you a happy birthday message. And I'll make sure, Connor, that you get it. So did you hear that, kindergartners? On Seesaw, I want you to send Connor a happy birthday message because he is turning 6 on Sunday. Did anybody lose any teeth? Remember, let me know. All right. It's joke of the day time. 2 jokes that you can use today to make everybody at your house happy. Okay, the first joke is this. What did the fisherman say to the magician? He said, pick a card, any card. You know, like a magician says, pick a card, any card. Well, the fisherman said to the magician, pick a card, any card. A cod is a fish. Bump, hey. Okay, going on to our second joke. What did the snowman say to the other snowman? He said, do you smell carrots? You know, like a carrot on a snowman's nose. Get it? Well, I hope you use these jokes. Nobody sent me a joke yesterday. So if you have a better joke for me, please send it to me through Seesaw. And you all have iPads. So make sure that you are using them and send me a message. Okay, have a great Friday. I will make another calendar for you on Monday. Woo! The day after Connor's birthday. Remember, it's Connor's birthday on Sunday. So don't forget to send him a Seesaw message. Bye-bye.